Tips for building your empire starting with affiliate marketing. Being creative and innovative is a great way to achieve in affiliate marketing, but it's not always about how well you stand out in a crowd. In this video, you will learn a lot about how successful affiliate marketers make their money by watching different tips and tactics that the experts have been using to drive traffic and sell products for years. There is no shame in an affiliate asking his or her email subscribers to send that mail out to other people they know. Creating your own tiered reward system as an affiliate is a proven way to improve on your commission rates. And as a bonus, your customers may become affiliates, and you can exponentially increase your earnings. A quality affiliate program will be willing to help you in many ways. They will not only provide quality products, but they will teach you the best way to maximize your earnings, which in turn maximizes theirs. They should be willing to teach you anything that you need to know to be successful. A successful affiliate marketing website has good content that entices visitors to spend time on the website and return to the site. The longer a visitor remains at your website, the more likely the visitor is to click on an affiliate link. Good content encourages visitors to stay and return. Form a plan. Much like you would for anything else that you undertake, sit down and come up with a simple marketing plan. Who do you know that can help you spread the word about your new site? How can you get your name out there for people to see? Selling products is the ultimate goal, but you are not the actual company selling them. That makes affiliate marketing very unique, as you're only acting as a middleman. That's exactly why you need the best possible information if you hope to achieve your goals as an affiliate marketer. Understand the market first and then proceed from there. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.